We have many years of experience and cooperation with Digital Mind. This is a big plus because it is easier to work with a company that knows your business, structure, specifics, and requirements. You don't need to explain anything. There is consistency. I know what I expect from this company. We had several integrated systems and suddenly we had to make changes. We needed to add one field. This single field had to be added to all systems, which took a lot of time because there were different developers. If we have a change that affects robots, it takes 5 to 10 minutes to update them. For example, in our ERP system, changes occur often, sometimes several times a week. Suddenly, we found out that one shield had been shifted or added. The robot can be adjusted in a few minutes. You just need to connect to the system and add one tab. The process is functional once again. Compared to RPA, it would be a more difficult process to do with integrations. First of all, I recommend that you have a proper ERP system. If you are a large group organization, it is highly recommended that everyone uses the same system and approach. This second recommendation is a document management system. If you want to digitize something, then it needs to be preserved qualitatively. And the third, you can start to think about ancillary systems. They can be RPA, OCR, and other systems. In our case, DMS, Document Management System, covers a wide range of different processes. Basically, we use DMS to automate various processes. For example, coordination of contracts, coordination of tenders, various procurements, laboratory work, and audits. We also use DMS in OCR. This is where we electronically archive documents. This digitized basis makes it possible for both the ERP and RPA systems to function. This is what the document management system is called. We archive documents with all metadata, and then you can freely work with them. Often, systems cannot retrieve data from web pages. This is necessary in various processes, especially if you need to submit a report. In our case, robots sometimes search the internet for exchange rates. There's no need to be afraid of robots. They make life easier. But a robot is not the answer to everything. It is necessary to understand whether the process needs to be robotized, or is it better to first organize your ERP system, organize data flows, and change processes. The robot is definitely a friend.